You know you get paid more if you're a journeyman. Pass that journeyman test.
Okay, so we got the PDF downloaded, and this is going to seem stupid simple, but I promise you that if you follow the process till the end, it will all make sense why we're starting here. So one of the more basic things is understanding how to convert the fractions into decimals. So when we're converting a fraction into a decimal, you're simply going to put it into your calculator. You can't use a regular calculator, as you know. You have to use one of these, and you're just going to divide the top number by the denominator, which is the bottom. So let's go through these really quick. With this one, we have 1 1/8 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to move the 1 down, the whole number down. I'm going to take that 1 divided by 8, and our answer is going to be 1.25. Now we don't want to round all the decimals right away. We just want to keep it in this 0.375 rather than switch it to 0.38. If we're constantly rounding, once we've rounded 2, 3, 4 times, it's going to be way off of what we originally intended. If you come down here though, it will have the answer sheet for all of these.